What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about how to set emergency savings with digits. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick guide on how to get it done. So let's get into it. First you got to do is open the Digit app and log into your account. And once you're logged in, go to the savings goals section and tap create new goal. There you're gonna name your goal something like emergency funds. Just keep it clear. And next, set your target amount. Most experts recommend 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Choose a timeline for how quickly you want to reach that goal, because Digits is going to help you to automate small savings that will get you there. You can also link this goal to your bank account so Digit can intelligently transfer money based on your spending habits. Digits automation means that you don't have to think about saving, it just works in the background. Remember, having an emergency fund is crucial for unexpected expenses or financial setbacks. And that's pretty much it. You're on your way to building financial security. If this helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.